channel. For today's video guys, we will be doing unboxing again. So ayan, and today I'm using my Tecno tablet for making this video kasi I have a problem of my phone. So ayan, so guys, because I have a problem of my phone, so ayan, yung Realme ko is nasira siya, hindi ko alam kung paano siya ayusin. So let's go guys, mag-unbox na tayo. So meron tayong, this is all from Temu guys. Ayan, Temu siya na order. Ayan, this video guys is not sponsored. This video is ordered by my husband. So ayan, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 items. So this is all from Temu guys. So yung gagawin natin guys is we will be unboxing the small one first before we will move to the big one. So ayan, so yeah, so yeah, yun lang. So hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado yung camera kung nasaan dito sa tablet ko kasi this is the first time I'm using this tablet for taking video. So ayan, so now we will unbox this one. Okay, and this one is, so meron tayong this is for my husband. It's a Coleman. Ayan, this is what it look like. This is all from Temu guys kasi Temu is good because there's free shipping. So ayan, this is a Coleman. This is what it look like. It looks so nice. And this Tecno tablet guys, meron siyang flash na para siyang merong ring light, naka-on yung kanyang flashlight. Ayan. Let's see. It's not good. It's not that strong. So ayan, ibabalik lang natin ito guys kasi ito ay for my husband. So ayan. So the name of the perfume is Coolman. Like my husband is cool. Okay, that's the first item. The next item is Mi Amor chocolate must. Ayan, perfume siya. As you can see, it's really a girly kind of perfume. The packaging is look like for girls, so it means it's for me. Let's see. Oh, it smells like choco nga. Remind me of, nagmix na tuloy yung perfume na Coleman tapos itong chocolate must. Basta ito na. Basta it smells so good siya guys. It's not strong. It's really like chocolate kind of smell. Okay, so ayan. Okay, after that, wala na. So ayan. And then the next one is this one. It's so light. It's like it's nothing at all. So ayan, let's see. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin dito ba. Pero meron naman siyang flashlight. Kaso lang, hindi ko talaga alam kung nasaan nabubulag ako. Nabubulag ako sa flashlight. And ang ganda niya guys kasi ang ganda ng try lang natin mamaya i-upload natin. So, ayan. Next is this one. It's only one. It's only one. It is perfume ulit. Viking. Kasi nasisilawan ng ng camera. So that's what it look like guys. Viking. So ayan, let's see. This is color pink, so it means it's for girls. So it's for me. Julia doesn't really like using perfume guys. So yung pinapagamit ko sa kanya is yung mga cologne na mga lang siya, yung baby cologne, ganun. So ayan. Ayoko kasi siyang maubo. Oh, so cute! Look at the packaging, guys. Ayan, as you can see, the packaging, uy, nag-blur siya. Bakit So, ayan guys, yung itsura niya. Ayan. Try ko guys, i-continue ko yung video. I-off ko muna kasi nag-ano yung light niya. Bumaba yung light niya. Siguro dahil sa, ano. So, pero i-try ko lang to kung anong amoy. It smells so good. I love this one. This is so cute. Look at that. Ayan. Uy, it smells so good. Ito yung pambato ko talaga. Mas mabango siya kaysa sa dalawa na tinry ko kanina. Magre-retake ako ulit guys ha. Mag-on ako ulit kasi nag-ano yung light niya. So, ayan, balik ako mamaya. Ayan, balik na tayo. So, okay na yung ating video, ating camera. Okay naman siya, parang bumaba lang siguro sa sign language ko, kaya yun. So, ayan yung itsura niya guys. Sobrang ganda. And, sobrang bango niya. Hindi siya mas, strong smell, pero, yung amoy niya, sobrang yayamanin. Yayamanin. So, ayan. Next tayo, guys, is dito tayo sa color white na packaging. Ayan. Iyan ko lang, guys, kasi, baka makita nyo yung kung saan ako nakatira, yung address. So, ayan. Okay, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano to. This one guys, we will use this one for our new house. Ayan. Ito is you can see, it's a floor mat. It's a floor mat. Ayan. Ayun yung itsura niya guys. Sobrang shiny. Ayan. Parang dumi siya, pero yan yung style na binili ni Ben. Ayan. So, yan yung itsura. Malaki siya, kaya ayan. Next time guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo pag nakalagay na siya doon sa bahay namin. Pero, we're working on extending the place. So, it will take a long time. Maybe next year. Middle of next year. So, we don't know yet. So, this is the floor mat, guys. Hindi ko alam kung sa bedroom ba siya or sa sala. And next one, ito. Ito yung next one. Parang feel ko lahat ng mga tao meron na nito. So, ito guys is roof. Para sa roof, meron siyang ganito para pang tali. Pwede mo siyang parang kung gusto niyo mag-picnic sa labas, pwede kayong yung parang cover para sa roof, ganun. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya tawagin, pero ito yung itsura niya, guys. And, wait lang, ibubuksan ko lang yung isa, guys, ha. So, wait, this is what it look like, guys. Ayan. Parang alam ko meron na kayo nitong lahat. Most of the people here in the Philippines, they use this one. Hindi ko alam, meron din naman sa other country. So, ayan. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pang cover ng mga, basta yun na yun. So, ayan guys. Dalawa yung tapos may kasama na siyang apat na, roof para pang tali. So, ayan. Next tayo is, parang mukhang same to. Ayan, same nga. Same siya, pero this is a different design. This is a color different. The other one is color black. This one is color brown. Ayan. It's color brown. Ayan. Ayan. Pero ito guys, wala siyang kasamang roof. Roof. Bakit tinatawag ko siyang roof? Ayan. Pangtali. Wala siyang pangtali. Tali na lang kasi ang hirap ibigkasin. So, ayan. So, yun yung kanyang itsura, guys. So, meron tayong dalawa niyan. Meron tayong dalawa din na color black. See? Black and brown. So, ayan. So, that's all for today's video, guys, sa ating Temu na unboxing. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button na katabi nito, guys, para ma-notify kayo sa susunod nating video. See you again next time. I love you all. Bye!